Now to the light at the end of the tunnel, the promise of a vaccine. Tonight, the nation's vaccine czar says the first Americans could get it in just 3 weeks. And in the meantime, a major step forward in treating COVID patients. The FDA greenlighting an antibody treatment from Regeneron that speeds up recovery. Here's ABC's Stephanie Ramos.
Tonight, the chief scientific advisor of Operation Warp Speed saying the first Americans could be vaccinated against COVID-19 as soon as December 11th, just 19 days from now.
We are ready to start shipping vaccines within 24 hours from approval, and hopefully people will start to be immunized, I would say, within 48 hours from the approval.
The FDA announcing it will have a public hearing for Pfizer's request for emergency use authorization of its vaccine on December 10th, and it could be recommended for emergency use authorization that day. Moderna's vaccine will face the same review a week later. Until vaccines are widely available, promising therapeutics getting the green light. This weekend, Regeneron, the same antibody treatment used by the president, was granted emergency use authorization by the FDA for people ages 12 and over, and for those at higher risk of developing severe illness from COVID. The drug, genetically engineered in a lab, imitates the body's natural defenses. Just one dose, delivered through an IV, has so far been shown to prevent some infected people from developing severe disease. It gets to work right away, blocking the virus from entering and infecting healthy cells. Earlier this month, Eli Lilly's antibody drug also receiving emergency use authorization.
I'm on day 2, outside the infusion. I'm having some fatigue, but that's improved.
We've been following Dr. David Schultz in Indiana, one of the first COVID patients in the country to receive the drug since he began his treatment nearly 2 weeks ago.
I have no cough, no congestion, no running.
And just today, Dr. Schultz telling us he appears to have made a full recovery.
We're very grateful for all those doing research, those who have worked on the vaccine development, and those who are working in our hospitals and around all the clinics around the country.
Encouraging news on the vaccine and on those treatments. Stephanie joins us now. And Stephanie, Dr. Monsef Slawi from Operation Warp Speed also predicting today that if 70% of Americans take the vaccine, we could see herd immunity as early as May.
Absolutely, Tom, but it will still take months before enough doses are available for all Americans. Also, scientists fear convincing people to take it will be tough. A recent Gallup poll finding more than 40% of Americans are hesitant to take an FDA-approved vaccine, much of it having to do with the political context under which that vaccine was created, Tom.
All right, Stephanie, thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.